Oh, I'm measuring to front of this bit.
Yeah.
On that.
Okay. So that comes to here.
Right.
So my plan was for Project Autumn to build a box to go on the back of the Zill. In a change of plan, I'm going to use this box, but it's too long at the moment and it's full of stuff and it's attached to the wrong lorry. What we're going to do then is empty the box, take this off here, this flappy bit, and then cut off a metre off the end, and then it'll be proportionally more correct for the Zill that it's going to go on. Under there is the big wheel. Big wheel.
Oh right, okay. I thought, yeah, I didn't realise that was where the big wheel was.
Now this is the before shot
Yeah.
of the interior of the DAF.
Where's my drill? Oh yeah,
Certain use.
So the smaller bits can go in that bag rather than that one.
That bag, the big white one,
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah.
We'll move that somewhere else now.
So put the small bits on toolbox.
All those bits, yeah.
Those sort of bits can go there.
Well, these all go together, don't they? They're all part of a kit to do something, but we haven't had to take. Spring. That's right.
Oh, no, you meant springy.
There's a bolt.
Well, yeah, I was just seeing if it was captive or
On
not.
then.
What?
See,
God.
we're simple.
Pleasing some people, isn't it?
There we go.
I really must take my hat off to whoever did the wiring in this. It's so tightly packed in. Getting it out is difficult enough. God knows what it was like to actually wire the bloody thing in the first place.
What are you up to, Mark?
What's that? I'm hidden a cupboard.
Have you been naughty?
I'm trying to undo some hydraulic unions that can only be undone with the cupboard door shut. Good place to hide away from the problems of the world.
What capacity hard drive, right?
That was a 1990s 850 megabyte hard drive made by Western Digital. But a quick smoke machine would be better for the outdoors and stuff. Yeah, that works, doesn't it? The dust, we get orbs and things. Get some more dust out of the carpet. Cool. Was it where we thought?
Go up a bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, pretty close.
Good. Here's Johnny!
There we go.
That's it.
Pass me the jigsaw, you might be able to reach in from the little...
There along the ceiling.
Yes, we're going to lose a lot of structural integrity at the front end.
Yes, I think we are. I'm going to probably avoid standing in it.
So this distance here, 85mm, mark off here on the inside,
Yeah.
and then put the door along there.
Uh-huh.
Well, it does look better. In my mind's eye anyway, imagining that on the Zill. It was just too long before. Having that box on there overhanging off the back of the Zill massively would have just looked stupid. Well, the wrong kind of stupid. we want the right kind of stupid round here. Every day. Be another minor milestone. The last journey ever of the V8 petrol engine. Make sure it's in neutral. It wasn't in gear. Alright. That's taken over 4 months to get from one end of the field to the other. I'll just point out it did have a starter motor. It had a starter motor up until about 15 years ago when it just fell to pieces. Oh. But yeah, won't miss that engine. That's cost a fortune in petrol just to get from there to there. But hey, here we are, looking pretty good, I think. What's next? I was going to tidy up in here.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, I'm still not totally visualising the pull-out sections and things.
It will come along somewhere like that, come up to this edge here, and then along there. That bit folds out, and then here, this corner, it's got a bit that's hinged there,
Yeah.
and there, and that hinges out and right round,
Yeah.
until it's protruded out front and to the side,
Yeah.
which makes everything more dramatic.
Yeah.
And then you've got, so from here to here, people can see in some deal. Oh, they're seeing blanks of pipes, one of us, monkey river symbols, and whatever nonsense we managed to run here.
The thing is, with the space we got, all the pipes are going to have to count. And whether we do end up with proper pipe work or whether we end up having to make our own. But I'll tell you about when we dropped a Land Rover on my mate Nick Wookie.
Has he done something terrible?
No,
Comes out, that bit will go down.
yeah, let's have a look. Let's just take it gentle. Oh, I'm gradually escaping, look.
The more I dig into the daft, the more I realise it's, yeah, there's not going to be that much to sell. Things like these indicators were just held on by electrical tape, so yeah, they're not worth anything. The headlights are going to be worth a bit, I think, because they're quite hard to come by now. Things like these mirrors, a really nice set of mirrors, much better than the ones that are on the Zill. Or even the one that was on the Zill, actually, the surround rotted away and the glass fell out, so that's no good anyway. I don't think I'll use the arms for the mirrors, but the mirrors themselves are quite nice, and they're convex mirrors as well, so they show a lot more than the flat mirrors that were on the Zill. So I'll use those. Things like the seats I'm not sure about. I'll take the seats out, but I mean what's in there is pretty grim. I don't think this truck's been cleaned since the day it was made. Not inside anyway. It's ringing. Behind me you might be able to see the charcoal kiln is on the forklift on the back of the tractor. Or forks I should say, it's not really a forklift. Anyway, the track that goes down my hill down to the very bottom is finally dry enough that I can attempt to take the tractor down there with some hope of getting back up again. I've really been looking forward to this, and it's just been too wet to attempt it until now. It's just been a case of waiting for the seasons to change. Once the charcoal kiln is gone from this yard area, I'll be able to bring up the plant trailer and put it here where the tractor is at the moment, and then in time I'll be able to crane off this cab and put it on the trailer and weigh it in. Yeah. Anything that I can, I'm going to salvage off the cab and sell, but realistically most of the cab is pretty shot. You know, the doors are rotten, and yeah, I mean, I'll go through it anyway. But that cab needs to go one way or another, and then I can finally get the engine out, get back on with Project Awesome.